Peace, love, and light, family. This is Essie the gardener. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys had a great, happy Indigenous Day with your family. I hope you guys got some good deals. I wanted to share some of my deals that I got over the internet over last week. And what I did do is catch a deal at Walmart online, and I purchased this HP printer because I needed a printer. It's just a simple printer, but it was on sale for $17, and then I think it went up to $19.99, and that was a good steal for a printer for about 20 bucks. And I just needed a printer, a simple printer to print my coupons. So I'm really excited about getting this bad boy up and running. So it's a HP. It's the 26, the model number is 2622. And you may be able to go online and still see these for about 20 bucks, $19.99 or $17.99. So that was a good steal. I already unboxed that and put it over here on the table. I got to give my sons, the high technicians that are more computer inclined, to get it hooked up and streamed into my computer properly. And again, this is the HP 2600, and it's also a wireless printer. So you guys go ahead and run over to walmart.com and see if you guys can scoop you up one of these. So that was a good deal, and I definitely wanted to share with you guys this big old deal that I got here, and I was super excited about this. I got wind of this deal from one of my my coupon buddies, and this was like this was an online deal as well. And you know, once I got wind of it, everybody was like, run, get it. And this is actually retailed at, this is a 30-piece heavyweight non-stick cookware set, and this is actually retail price at, it's probably backwards on the screen, but it's $230, and it was on sale for 56, so around 60 bucks. And again, it's a 30-piece set. As you can see on the box, you get your 2 little frying pans, you get 5 bowls, you get your seasoning bowls, you got your 3 pots, your small, medium, and your large, and kind of like a Dutch oven pot right here. You guys can see it right here. And then you had your cookie sheets, your non-stick cookie sheets. You get 2 of those, and then you got some little what do you call them, stencils. And then you got your measuring spoons over here, and then your stirrers, your spoons, and your spatula. But the reason why I really ran to get this deal, I don't know if you guys can see it over there in that corner. It has a mini Google speaker. You see that right there? Yes. So this was the reason why a lot of people was running for this deal right here. So I have not unboxed it as of yet, so I just wanted to share that with you guys, the unboxing. And it also comes with what is it called, a tasty cookbook. And from what I understand, this little mini speaker, Tasty, you can actually ask, what is it, the little speaker thing. I forgot how you have to wire it to get it to stream right, but you can actually ask the speaker, request certain recipes from it, and it will tell you the recipe. So that's another reason why a lot of women were running. They were running to get this, and I was lucky that I even got it. Again, this was another online. I believe it was Thursday, or it might have been Friday. But when I got wind of it, it was like, I think it was like 12 o'clock at night or even 1 o'clock in the morning. And I actually was able to order it through my phone, my cell phone. So I was real excited about that. And I was surprised they even had any more left. So what was cool about the online deals is that you can, you can purchase it online, and then you can pick it up in the store. So the next day I picked them up in the store. Yeah. So that was pretty cool. I know a lot of people was out there probably shopping for Black Friday, trying to get these deals. But I actually, let me turn this way so you guys can see me. I actually been cracking on my sons for some pots, and you know, usually every year I am an appliance addict. I love appliances and I love electronics. And I told them they've been slacking and they macking. They usually cherish me so good with gifts, but you know, I told them they've been slacking a little bit. So they said they'll make up. But yeah, I love appliances and I love electronics. So, oh wow. So that is the mini. Okay, so that is the mini Google. Let me see if you guys can see it. So that is the mini Google. And it says it is small and mighty. I've heard some really good things about this speaker. It's supposed to be really good and loud and everything. But yeah, that's one of the reasons why a lot of the ladies was running to get that. I mean, you can't beat that. Buy a nice pot set and then you get a little mini speaker with it, a Google speaker. So yeah, here's the Kitchen Goals cookbook. And it seems to have some pretty neat recipes in here. Butternut squash soup. My butternut squash didn't do good this year when I planted it, but I hope next year I have a more successful year with planting the butternut squash. I have plenty of seeds for that. Got cinnamon roll wreath. Yeah, some really neat recipes in there. So yeah, not bad. Peppermint bark. They got all the holiday foods in there and desserts. How about that? Let's see what else. Oh, scones. Dried cranberry orange scones. I make scones. How about that? Look at that. I have a recipe for scones as well. I love scones. Oh, that is pretty neat. So, not too bad. Nice recipes in here. Not a lot, but pretty cool. Roasted sweet potatoes. You guys know I just harvest my sweet potatoes. A recipe for that. So yeah, that's very divine. I feel like that is divine. I was supposed to get that. Yeah, that is definitely confirmation from the ancestors. Okay, let's see. This is a big box. Now, what I was tempted to do was actually exchange it because I have a lot of red in my kitchen. But again, I like color, so I guess I'll just deal with the blue. But yeah, these are the cookie sheet trays. Kind of like a medium and a large. Not bad. Let's see. Yeah, you guys need to run on over there and y'all want to shower your wife with a nice tasty pot set. Y'all need to run over there. This is a good deal. As I said before, it retails for $230 for 60 bucks. I believe the price was 50. I believe it was 56. So yeah, we rounded off to about 58, 60 bucks, 60 bucks. That's cute. Little colorful measuring spoons. I have a lot of those, but it's nice to have a nice colorful set. And that's the little, what do you call it, tinsels, the cookie tinsels. Little different shapes in there. This is really nice, y'all. So that's all the tops. Oh, that's really nice. Look at that. Non-stick. It's really nice. So you guys definitely share your hot deals that you guys came over during the Indigenous weekend, the happy Indigenous weekend. Nice little omelet pan. Yo, this is really good. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see if I can move this back so you guys can see everything. Yeah. So how are you guys gardening doing? Definitely leave me some comments and let me know how your garden is doing. Mine's is doing well. I'm going to get out tomorrow and hopefully do a harvest video, give you guys an update on what's been going on in the yard. Everything has been growing. I've been harvesting. I probably done took out probably about 3 batches of greens already. Now everybody is bugging me about the broccoli. Everybody's like, when are you going to harvest the broccoli, Mom? And actually my broccoli is already shooting out, they call it side shoots. And I haven't even harvested yet, and the side shoots is coming in already. That's a nice pan. That's like a deep dish kind of stir fry. Look at that. That is really nice. Or like a saute, a nice saute. Very nice. I am happy with this set, I must say. Let's see. Got my food here. See what this is. Oh, this is probably the bowls. Let's see. And this set has everything that I wanted too. I wasn't even thinking about a Google speaker, but as far as bowls and seasoning bowls, you know, those little clear bowls, I love those, and I've had a couple of them, and I guess they just got destroyed over time. These are so cute, y'all. Look. I'm gonna have to wash all of this stuff. These are adorable. Y'all see those? Aren't those adorable? Y'all see that? That is really nice. Okay, so we have our deep pot, kind of like a Dutch oven pot. My kids bought me a beautiful red one. I think it was last year for my, not this September, last September. They bought me a nice red Dutch one, a cast iron Dutch one. I mean, one of them super duper heavy ones. But this is really nice. Okay, I feel like I'm missing something, you know, it's right here. Okay, you guys. This is actually this would be like a wonderful Christmas gift or even a wedding gift for, you know, a new couple that's probably moving into their new place. And it's a very nice starter kitchenware set. Yeah, this is something that I would buy for a wedding couple. These are the bowls that I like to use when I do my little seasonings with, you know, with the Trinity, your garlic, your onions, and your peppers. I like to use these little bowls. So, yeah, you guys, so let's see if we can move this back. So we got 3 pots, and we got 3 pans, and we got 3 different tops. Each top fits each pot, and they might even fit on here. Yeah, a little something, or under 2 big ones here. So yeah, you guys, that is my unboxing. I am very pleased with this set. Again, you got your little utensils for cookware, your bakeware, your little measuring spoons, your 3 pans. You got an omelet pan, a frying pan, and like a stir fry pan. You got your crock pot, your 3 pots of like vegetable rice, and you have your 3 tops, and you got your 4 seasoning bowls. And these are so cute. You probably could use these for condiments and dips. This is what I would use this set for. This is a really nice set. I would use this for like dips. But again, very pretty, very colorful, and I am very pleased. And we have our, let me see what this looks like. Let me open this up. Let's see. My kids was dying to get into this, and I was like, nope, because again, you know, they like electronics as well. they are so into these speaker things. They bought me a nice charger speaker from Verizon. I call it the pill, but they said, Mom, it's a charger. It's called the charger. I said, it's a music pill. But yeah, I gotta watch them with this because they already got their hands in my charger. Okay, so this is the Mini Home Google. So it's so cute, y'all. Look. Yeah, it's so cute. I don't know. I'll probably just leave it on the counter in the kitchen, play some music through my phone, or even, you know, try to stream the recipes. And yeah, I gotta figure out how to set this up. I'm not sure if this is wireless or not, but yeah, I'll get my kids on it. And there's a little charger piece for it, and there's the Mini Google. So yeah, you guys, I am super pleased with this purchase. And again, for 60 bucks and all of this, you can't beat it. And don't forget your little sheet trays for baking cookies or your bacon or whatever. You can do more than bake on these trays. So yeah, that's not bad, you guys. So yeah, you guys go over to Walmart.com and see if these guys are still on sale. Copy one, get a few of them for some Christmas gift if that's what you do. But yeah, you guys. So yeah, that is my good deals that I got over the Happy Indigenous Day. And again, that was my printer set up right over here. I got to get my kids to stream it through the computer wireless and see how that works. But yeah, you guys, this is Essie the Gardener, and just wanted to touch base with you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. I'll give you guys an update video probably tomorrow on the gardening. And until then, you guys, peace, love, and light. This is Essie the Gardener, and I'm out.